In Vienna is beside the building of the Vienna University.
So it's 9 o'clock. We're inside the premises of Vienna University, Hannah.
Yes.
That building is Vienna University. Tapos we're having a chill here. Kaupo gano. Hannah is dancing.
Oh my God, don't dance! I have to take a picture of you dancing.
Tapos ang this one. Now we had a dinner at an Argentinian steakhouse around 200 meters away.
No.
So dito yung baka maiwan yung cellphone. So they have yung benches here, no? So chill lang. But it's nice here. There's water. Water fountain ba ito dati dito? But sa gabi, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda talaga, oh. No? Very nice. Ang palibot. Tingnan mo. Everything is accessible through public transport here. We arrived at pass. So what can you comment here, Hannah?
There's a duck.
No, there's a duck. Ang ganda, no? So what makes this structure special?
It's Baroque.
It's Baroque.
It was built
So
in the 18th century.
you know the design of Baroque? Hindi yun yung Baroque na Pinoy ano to, ha? Cartoonist.
Ganda na kanyang lokal dito.
Ang dilim, ha? Yeah, iba talaga. Ibang klase talaga. Okay, where are we go?
I'm going back to the station.
Huh? Somebody is ano to? Ano?
Kabayan!
Will go?
We're going na? Kabayan! Stop na! Don't picture me, please.
Ganyan, go.
Let's go! Kabayan.
Few
2-minute walk to the station.
we're going to station, no? 2 minutes lang. Back to our Airbnb. Where are we staying, Panda?
It's in Favoriten area.
Okay.